Welcome to our class, children. In this class, we are going to discuss about a topic called Dream of a Poor Brahmin. This is a lesson from English subject for second class children. Children, what is meant by dream? What is meant by dream? Dream means thoughts that comes to our mind during sleep. The thoughts that comes to our mind during our sleep are called dreams. Okay, now children? Long time ago, there lived a poor Brahmin in a village. Children, do you know who is Brahmin? Brahmins are the superior persons in our society. Once upon a time, a poor Brahmin lived in a village. He was all alone in this world. He has no one of his own. He had no relatives or friends. The poor Brahmin doesn't have any family or relatives or friends. He used to live alone. He used to beg for his living. Children, the Brahmin used to get food and other things he needed to live by begging. Whatever food he get as alms, he kept in an earthen pot and hung it beside his bed. Children, ALMS means alms. We have to pronounce it as alms. Children, do you know the meaning of alms? Alms means money or food given to poor people. While begging, the Brahmin gets alms and he kept those alms in a pot and he hung the pot beside his bed. Whenever he felt hungry, he took out some food from the pot and ate it. If he feels hungry, he will take out some food from the pot which he has stored and he will eat it. See, children, here we can see the Brahmin. He is eating some food here. Okay, now children. One night the Brahmin lay on his bed and soon he was fast asleep. The Brahmin went to bed at night to sleep and very soon he felt asleep. He began to dream. He was no longer a poor Brahmin. He wore good clothes. He was the owner of a shop. As soon as he fell asleep, he began to dream. In that dream, he is not a poor Brahmin. He was the owner of a shop and he wore very good clothes. Hundreds of customers came to his shop. Soon he became richer than before. He purchased many buffaloes and cows. The Brahmins had a shop in his dream, now children. So many customers came to his shop and he became very rich. By the money he got, the Brahmin bought so many cows and buffaloes. Very soon the buffaloes and cows had their young ones. Those young ones grew and became buffaloes and cows. The calves born to the buffaloes and cows he bought and they have grown up. Children, calves means the younger cows or buffaloes that are born to the buffaloes and cows. He bought so many buffaloes and cows, now children. For that buffaloes and cows, calves are born. And those young ones also grew and became buffaloes and cows. Okay, now children. The buffaloes and cows gave milk. He made lot of butter and curd from the milk. He sold the butter and the curd in the market. Those buffaloes and cows gave milk. The Brahmin prepared lot of butter and ghee and then sold it in the market. Okay, children. Soon he became richer than ever before. He built a big house for himself. Then he married a beautiful girl. Soon they had children. The Brahmin became very rich and he built a very big house. He married a beautiful girl and they both had children. The children played around all the day making noise. He then scolded them and asked them to keep quiet. But they won't listen. Children likes to play now. They played and made noise. The Brahmin scolded the children for making noise and said to keep quiet, but the children still made noise. So he picked up a stick and ran after them. The Brahmin became very angry and he took a stick to beat them and ran after them for beating the children. The Brahmin began to move his legs rapidly while he was still asleep. In doing so, he hit the earthen pot with one of his legs, which was full of food. In his dream, the Brahmin began to run and moved his legs like he is running. In that dream, he hit the pot while running, which was hanged beside his bed with a leg. The pot broke and the food contents were spilled all over the floor. In that process, he broke the pot containing food, and that pot broke and all the food fell on the ground. Suddenly, the Brahmin woke up from his deep sleep. Suddenly means quickly, very soon, unexpectedly. The Brahmin suddenly woke up from his sleep. He found himself in the bed. He had the food items he had kept in the pot were scattered on the ground. By the time he woke up from the sleep, he is in his bed and he realized that he had a dream. And when he sees beside, all the food was scattered on the ground. Children, do you know the meaning of scatter? Scattered means separated in different directions. The food fell in all directions. He felt sad. This happened due to his daydreaming. He realized that he should not have built the castles in the air. He saw that which one he saw? He saw the full food that fell on the ground, that scattered on the ground. He saw that and felt sad. All this loss happened due to daydreaming. And the Brahmin realized that all this happened due to the daydreaming and he felt very sad. And also he thought that he should not have built castles in the air. So children, by this we can say that hard working is better than daydreaming. Hard working is better than daydreaming. So children, work hard and smart to be successful in life. Okay children, now we will read the questions once. See children, these are the questions from the lesson Dream of a Poor Brahmin. Now we will read the questions. First time I will read the questions and again you have to read the question along with me the second time. Okay children, how many relatives did the poor Brahmin have? Now read along with me. How many relatives did the poor Brahmin have? The poor Brahmin had no relatives. The poor Brahmin had no relatives. What is the meaning of this question? How many relatives did the poor Brahmin have means in the lesson only we have read now children. There are no relatives and friends for poor Brahmin. So the answer is the poor Brahmin had no relatives. Where did the Brahmin keep his food? Where did the Brahmin keep his food? Children, where did the Brahmin keep his food? The Brahmin kept his food in an earthen pot and hung it beside his bed. The Brahmin kept his food in an earthen pot and hung it beside his bed. What did the Brahmin purchase as soon as he dreamt of becoming rich? What did the Brahmin purchase as soon as he dreamt of becoming rich? Children, when Brahmin fell asleep, he had a dream. In that dream, he is very rich now, children. What did he buy then? Yes, he bought lots of buffaloes and cows. That is the answer. Very good. As soon as Brahmin dreamt of becoming rich, he purchased many buffaloes and cows. As soon as Brahmin dreamed, D-R-E-A-M-T means dreamed. We have to pronounce it as dreamed. As soon as Brahmin dreamed of becoming rich, he purchased many buffaloes and cows. What happened when the Brahmin moved his legs rapidly while dreaming? What happened when the Brahmin moved his legs rapidly while dreaming? In the dream, the Brahmin was running. Because of that, he moved his legs rapidly, na children, like running. What happened then? He hit the pot and the food all scattered on the ground. When the Brahmin moved his legs rapidly while dreaming, he hit the earthen pot with one of his legs, which was full of food. The pot broke and the food contents were spilled all over the floor. When the Brahmin moved his legs rapidly while dreaming, he hit the earthen pot with one of his legs, which was full of food. The pot broke and the food contents were spilled all over the floor. Children, now we will read all the questions once along. Read along with me. How many relatives did the poor Brahmin have? Very good. Read like that only. The poor Brahmin had no relatives. Where did the Brahmin keep his food? The Brahmin kept his food in an earthen pot and hung it beside his bed. What did the Brahmin purchase as soon as he dreamt of becoming rich? As soon as Brahmin dreamt of becoming rich, he purchased many buffaloes and cows. What happened when the Brahmin moved his legs rapidly while dreaming? When the Brahmin moved his legs rapidly while dreaming, he hit the earthen pot with one of his legs, which was full of food. The pot broke and the food contents were spilled all over the floor. Okay children, copy these questions in your notebook and practice 5 times. You have to study these questions. We'll again meet in the next class. Bye children. Thank you.